Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is Saab to supply US Army with vehicle training simulation kits for force-on-force exercises. Saab has received a $22.4 million order from the US Army under a firm fixed-price contract. The order falls under the Bridge to Evolution Synthetic Training Environment Tactical Engagement Simulation Systems Multiple Award Contract, known as BEST MAC. The total potential value of the contract is $60.8 million over 60 months. Under Lot 2 of the BEST MAC contract, Saab will support the U.S. Army's Tactical Engagement Simulation Systems program. The order covers the delivery of Vehicle Tactical Engagement Simulation System base kits, also known as VTES base kits. These systems are intended to allow U.S. Army vehicles to take part in force-on-force training exercises. The VTES Vehicle Tactical Engagement Simulation System base kits enable the U.S. Army vehicles to participate in force-on-force exercises utilizing a dramatically improved, reliable, soldier-friendly system, said Eric Smith, President and CEO of Saab in the U.S. Our tech-driven, hands-on training solutions are developed in partnership with our customers. We constantly develop, adopt and improve new technology to meet changing customer needs. The program is managed by the U.S. Army's Capability Program Executive Simulation, Training, Test and Threat. The system includes laser detector training kits designed to equip military tactical and non-tactical vehicles for training exercises. Saab said the systems enable soldiers to conduct highly realistic live force-on-force training using their existing vehicle platforms and weapons systems. The VTES Vehicle Tactical Engagement Simulation System solution also integrates with the Army's existing and legacy Tactical Engagement Simulation Systems training equipment. The company said the award reinforces its continued commitment to delivering advanced training and simulation capabilities. Saab said these capabilities are intended to enhance warfighter readiness and operational effectiveness. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @Electronics Technology 50.